Hi, Christine. This is Bonnie Botello, and I will be presenting a summary of the lessons that UberMuesli's leadership team has learned over the course of this game. I will also summarize some of the issues we encountered and discuss what could have been done differently to improve the performance of our company. UberMuesli learned many business lessons during this project, and we were able to capitalize on those lessons. In our business plan, we purposely structured our BOMs in two ways. We cut quality and cost of our 1K products to attract cost-sensitive hypermarts. We increased quality in our 500G products to attract buyers willing to pay a higher price for a better product, the independent grocers. We quickly found that our products were selling easily at our initial prices. We used the pricing chart tool to analyze all market prices, and we reset our prices very high. As you can see by looking at the graph for company SS, these price changes, combined with broad product offerings, changed our customer base from hypermarts and independent grocers to grocery stores. In fact, we ended up selling more products in the grocery store distribution channel than any other company. This was a highly competitive game. In order to be competitive, we needed tools to monitor our rivals and ourselves. We used many tools during and after gameplay, but 3 specific tools made a large difference. We used the loan tool to monitor other companies' debt payments, which impacted their company valuation. We would then use this data to decide how we should pay down our own debt. We used this tool to pace our payments with Company T, our closest competitor. The pricing chart tool was a real-time substitute for the SAP price market tool that refreshes its data every 5 days. Its data could be further filtered to show specific pricing and sales data for each of our competitors. The inventory tool allowed us to view all inventory available at any point in time in the game. This gave us the advantage of knowing which products were saturating the market and which products were more rare. We used this to create micro-niche products like 1K mixed muesli in the 5th month. Screenshots of these tools with examples of how they are used are located in the supporting data in the appendix. Lumira gave us a wealth of knowledge about our competition. We were able to track what they were selling, their prices, their efficiency, and their debt payments. Lumira tools showed us that our closest competitor was focusing much of their effort on debt repayment. This would increase their credit rating, decrease their interest rate, and increase their company valuation. Company valuation was the most important metric in the game. We used this data to increase our loan payments, as can be seen in months 4 and 5 in the loan balance chart above. We feel that watching our competition closely and responding to that data ultimately made the difference in allowing us to push past T's company valuation in month 5. We also had our share of challenges. We were modifying our planned production runs to match market demand with data pulled from our tools. This allowed us to produce a more profitable mix of items. However, in month 3, there was a disconnect between the raw materials we had on hand and the materials we needed to produce our next run of products. This resulted in 2 days of no production and a productivity rate of 81% instead of our normal rate of over 90% per month. See appendix for production figures. This problem helped us realize that our company was missing a good way to manage warehouse logistics. We would like a tool that monitors raw goods inventory and returns data that maximizes the amount and variety of raw materials. We could use this information to have very flexible production lines without having to worry about warehouse overstock charges. We experienced technical issues that prevented members of our team from accessing either Lumira or SAP. We were fortunate that none of these issues were prolonged and that none of them occurred while we were making critical decisions. However, these issues could occur at any time, and we need to be prepared in the future. To solve this problem, it is critical that all people are cross-trained on each business function. That way, someone without technical issues could take over with guidance until the person with technical issues has their problems resolved. If the board of directors votes to continue supporting UberMuesli in the future, we plan to gradually shift our focus from paying down debt to improving our production capabilities. Paying the loan is less critical now that we have the lowest interest rate and highest credit rating. We would like to increase production capacity and reduce the setup time to 3 hours to increase the amount of products we can produce and sell. Thank you for a wonderful semester, Christine. We appreciate everything you've done for UberMuesli.